Hello Digibyte holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the DGB coin, Digibyte. What's the current price of Digibyte? And you know what? In this time, this is the urgent news. And the last hour, the price of the DGB coin is falls down, and the people are so worrying about it, my friends. But don't worry, my friends. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the DGB coin is 0.04 USD dollar. That's the latest price of the Digibyte. Furthermore, you can see the price of DGB coin in a Bitcoin. And if you want more update about DGB coin, so the latest market cap and the 24 hours trending volume, available supply, total supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes. You have to only hold. If you hold, absolutely you will get profit. How much you hold for long term, same like that you get high amount of profit. So personally, I recommend for everyone to please hold for long term. You will get profit. But if you sell, so nothing you will get. Maybe you lose your money, because now this time the last 1 week pricing is negative. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.